Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this third tutorial of the Arabic writing. So in the first tutorial what we did, we went over the alphabets. The second tutorial we joined two letter words. In this one, inshallah, we're gonna learn how to join three letter words. So we'll be joining these words, inshallah. And as you know, the Arabic is from right to the left, so it starts at the right and goes towards the left. Okay, so the first letter of this word is Sin, the second letter of this word is Mim, and the third is Ain. Okay, let's copy them here. Sin, Mim, and Ain. So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. So let's see how Sin looks like in the beginning. This is how Sin looks like by itself, and this is how it looks like in the beginning. So let's copy this shape. Sin. The next letter is Mim. So Mim is in the middle of the word. So let's see Mim in the middle column. This is how Mim looks like in the middle. So let's copy this shape. This is Mim in the middle, something like this. Okay, now Ain is at the end of the word, is the third letter, and it is the end of the word. So we will look for Ain in the end column. So this is Ain. Ain looks like this at the end. Let's copy this shape. Looks something like this. Okay, so now we have all the three letters, and we need to know where the joining points are. So this is the joining point of Sin. This is the then this is the joining point of Mim at the on the right, and this is the joining point of Mim on the left. Okay, and this is the joining point of Ain on the right. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to join these joining points, this one and this one, plus we need to bring them in one line at one height. Have to align them. So let's do it. So this is how it's gonna look. Sin. Okay, then Mim, and then Ain. Okay, now what we do, we cut these lines shorter and join the word. Okay, let's do it. So this, and this, and then Mim, and then Ain. That's how this is gonna look. Okay, so we're done with Sin, Mim, Ain. Let's do the next one. Qaf, Lam, and Mim. Qaf, Lam, and Mim. Okay, Qaf is in the beginning, Lam is in the middle, Mim is at the end. Arabic goes from right to the left. Okay, so let's see how Qaf looks like in the beginning. This is Qaf. This is how Qaf looks like by itself, and this is how Qaf looks like when it comes at the beginning of the word. So let's copy this shape. This is how Qaf looks like in the beginning of the word. So the next letter is Lam. Lam is in the middle of the word. Let's go and see how Lam looks like in the middle. This is Lam by itself, and this is how Lam looks like in the middle. Okay, so this is the Lam. Let's copy this. like this. Okay. Meme is at the end of the word. Let's see how meme looks like at the end. This is how meme looks like at the end. So this is the end column, and this is in front of meme. This is what meme is. Meme is at the end. Meme at the end is like this. Let's copy this. So this is how meme looks like at the end. Now what we need to do, find the joining point. So this is the joining point for qaf on the left. This is the joining point of lam on the right, and this is on the left. Okay, and this is the joining point of meme on the right. What we need to do, we need to just join these points and bring them to one height. So this is qaf, and then this is lam, and then this is meme. Okay, we just need to join these points and we will have our joined up word. That's what it is. Let's go to the last word. Let's copy the letters. This is ba, this is qaf, and this is ya. So let's see how ba looks like in the beginning. This is how ba looks like in the beginning. Let's copy this shape, this and this. Qaf is in the middle of the word. Okay, let's see how qaf looks like in the middle. This is qaf in the middle. Qaf looks like this in the middle. Now the last letter of the word is ya. Let's see how ya looks like at the end. So this is how ya looks like at the end. So let's copy this shape. So ya looks like this. Okay, at the end. Now we find the joining points. So this is the joining point of ba, this is the joining point of qaf on the right, this is the joining point of qaf on the left, and this is the joining point of ya. What we need to do, we just need to bring these points together. Okay, just bring them together and cut these lines a bit short. We will have a word. Let's see, and we bring them in one line as well. Remember this. Okay, so ba, okay, and then qaf, and then ya from here. Okay, we just need to fill these gaps, and then we will have our word. Let's write it again. Ba, qi, ba, qi, ya. Okay, I hope it's clear, and inshallah in the next tutorial what we're going to do, we'll join 4 letters. This is the 3 letters. Next tutorial will be 4 letters, inshallah. The principles are same. If you know this, you should be able to know that one as well. Very easy. So inshallah, see you in next tutorial. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.